here's another example of a word work activity that you can use with your students to help them really understand the sounds in words and how they go together for spelling. So one of the things you can do is use some blocks like this, and these blocks will represent the sounds. So again, you're going to come up with some words where there is a change, only one change from one word to the next. And so you'll notice my progression of the word bag to big. I've changed the medial sound of the vowel, and then from big to bib, I've changed the ending sound, which also happens to be the same sound as the initial. So I'll show you what that looks like when we're using our blocks. So you're going to give them the first word, which is bag. They'll echo bag. You'll unblend, which means to isolate each of the sounds that go with the word. So they would bag, bag, unblend, b, a, g. Then you're going to ask them to pull down cubes or whatever kind of manipulative you're using in the classroom to associate with each of those sounds. So I would say b, a, g. Now if you'll notice, all of my cubes are different colors, and that's important because each of these sounds are different. So we would say b, a, g. Then you could ask your students to spell those sounds. B, A, G. Then you're going to go on to the next word and ask them to make a change to this one to indicate what was changed from bag to the next word. So the next word is big. Echo, big. B, I, g. B, I, g. The middle sound changed the vowel, so they're going to have to replace it with a different color than what they used before, and it must be different from the initial or final sounds because it doesn't match. B, I, g. And now we've made the sound big. B, I, G. And that incorporates your spelling. Then if we're going to change it from big to bib, they're going to echo bib, unblend, b, I, b, b, I. And this final sound b is the same as the initial, so my color must be the same. And I would have to pull down the corresponding matching color. B, I, b, B, I, B. And that's how you would use colored blocks to help them associate the sounds that are in their words for spelling.